If you are a child of a small kid, are you making such mistakes during the cold and cough? Then this video is for you. Moms, a very quick question. Your child has a cold and cough and it's 6 a.m. in the morning. You are getting ready for your office and suddenly you are thinking, should I give medicine? Should I stop giving milk? Or should I keep my child indoor completely during this cold and cough? What if I tell you that most of the parents usually make these common 7 mistakes during the cold and cough, and this actually delay the recovery of the child for a longer time. Stay with me because I'm going to share all these mistakes, and out of those mistakes, the mistake number 4 is the one where the working moms usually struggle most of the time, and fixing it will definitely make a difference for you. In most of the working parents, the common problem during cold and cough when your child is having, it's very stressful for you. Yes, you are juggling badly the office deadlines, the sleepless nights, childcare guilt, and endless advices from everyone. One person says, don't give milk. Another person says, please give kada. And the third person is saying and giving you advice like, give the medicine immediately to your child. And in all this confusion, we often do the things in love and care of your child. But those things actually quietly slow down the recovery of your child's, and the body's natural recovery is quite slow at that particular time. This video actually I have made because I have also dealt with this and I am also a working parent. So it's not for blaming you for doing all these mistakes. It's all about awareness. So next time when your child is also facing out certain problem, you should be confident enough not to do such mistakes and come out of it, and your child's recovery should be very soon. So here is the solution. I am sharing these 7 common mistakes, and along with that I am also sharing the solution what exactly needs to be done at that particular time. Mistake 1, stopping all milk suddenly as you are giving milk to your growing child on daily basis. But as they have caught with cold and cough, curd is stopped, milk is stopped. Milk clearly causes discomfort for your child. Completely removing from the daily routine, it reduces the nutrition and the energy from your child's recovery at that particular time. So what to do instead? Offer a very warm milk, not too warm, halka kosa, smaller quantity, and observe your child's behavior and pattern that particular time. Mistake number 2, overusing home remedies. Natural remedies are definitely helpful for your child, but too many home remedies you are giving at a time can irritate the digestion of your child. Instead, you keep it simple, one gentle home habit at a time. Mistake number 3, forcing food when your child is not good. When kids are unwell, definitely their appetite goes down naturally. Forcing food creates stress in the child, and stress affects the immunity. Instead, offer light, warm, easy to digest food in portions to your child. Mistake number 4, keeping the kids indoor all day. Many working moms usually feel very guilty and keep the child locked indoor, but zero movement slows the circulation in the child's body. Instead, allow gentle movement and fresh air. It supports comfort and mood of your child. Fresh air is not the enemy of your child. The stagnant air is the enemy. Mistake number 5, ignoring the sleep routine. Late night, irregular naps, and screen time disrupts the child's recovery. Instead, maintain a calm sleep for your child with certain routine on that particular day, which will repair the body of your child. Mistake number 6, fixing too many opinions. Relatives are saying something to you, neighbors are saying something, and the social media with lot of surfing here and there. Everyone has advice. There is no single person at that particular time is not giving you an advice. Instead, observe your child's pattern, behavior. Every child varies from time to time, so it's not necessarily that whatever remedy you are giving to your child, it works to one child is in the similar way and of the another child. So please observe the behavior and pattern of your child. Mistake number 7, panicking too early. Parents' anxiety generally transfer to your child. Instead, please moms and parents, stay calm at that particular time. Comfort the hydration, rest and motion matters a lot at that particular time. Thank you for listening to me all these 7 mistakes. Now the bonus tip for you moms and parents, create a comfort routine during this particular phase when your child is not well instead of a treatment routine. Number 1, warm fluids. Number 2, gentle massage. Number 3, very calm voice to your child. Number 4, consistent bedtime. When your child feels safe and relaxed, their body responds better and the repair mechanism generally starts at that particular time for your child. So here are certain benefits which I have received in my daily routine when I have made this kind of routine for my child during the cold and cough. The number 1, recovery feels smooth. Number 2, kids stay calm. Number 3, appetite returns naturally for your child. Number 4, night improve. And number 5, parents definitely feel confident at that particular. And very most importantly, your child will build a healthier relationship with illness and fast recovery. If this video definitely help you a little, please request you to like it so many parents can see it. Share it with your working friends and professionals who usually panics during their child's cold and cough. And don't forget to subscribe me, my It's Healthy Me channel, where I simplify parenting, health and immunity for real families. And lastly, please definitely comment below which mistake surprised you the most, which you know it and it surprised you. Thank you so much for listening to me.